and welcome back to English Cast Duo, the podcast where you improve your English while learning about real people, real stories, and real history.
That's right, Alex. Today's episode is a biography told in simple, clear English, perfect for listening practice. Whether you're driving, relaxing, or shadowing along, you're in the right place.
Today, we're talking about one of the most famous and controversial figures in modern history, Donald Trump.
Some people admire him, some people criticize him, but no matter your opinion, his life story is full of big moments, dramatic changes, and important lessons.
So today, we're not here to argue. We're here to learn, understand, and practice English together.
Let's begin at the very beginning with Donald Trump's childhood.
Donald Trump was born on June 14th, 1946, in Queens, a borough of New York City, in the United States.
His full name is Donald John Trump. He was born into a large family and grew up in a wealthy household.
His father's name was Fred Trump, and he was a very successful real estate developer.
Fred Trump built thousands of homes, especially in New York, and became rich by focusing on middle-class housing projects.
Donald's mother was Mary McLeod Trump, and she was originally from Scotland.
She moved to the United States when she was young and later married Fred Trump. Mary was known as a strict but caring mother.
Donald Trump had 4 siblings.
That's right. He was the 4th child in the family.
His siblings were Mary Ann, Fred Jr., Elizabeth, and Robert.
Growing up, Donald lived a comfortable life, but his parents believed strongly in discipline, hard work, and competition.
Even as a child, Donald Trump was known for being energetic, confident, and sometimes aggressive.
Teachers noticed that he liked to lead, win, and stand out.
However, that strong personality sometimes caused problems.
Yes, Donald was often very active and sometimes disruptive in school.
Because of this, his father decided to send him to a military-style school.
At the age of 13, Donald Trump was sent to the New York Military Academy.
This school was strict. Students wore uniforms, followed rules, and learned discipline.
Fred Trump believed this environment would help Donald become more focused and controlled.
And in many ways, it worked.
Donald became a strong student, took leadership roles, and learned how to command attention.
He was involved in sports, student leadership, and military-style training.
This experience had a big influence on his personality later in life, especially his confidence and commanding style.
After finishing military academy, Donald Trump went to Fordham University in New York.
He studied there for 2 years, but he wanted more.
Later, he transferred to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania.
Wharton is one of the most famous business schools in the world.
There, Donald studied economics, focusing on business, finance, and real estate.
In 1968, he graduated with a degree in economics.
This education prepared him for the next phase of his life, business.
After university, Donald Trump joined his father's company, the Trump Organization.
At first, the company focused mainly on housing projects in New York.
Donald wanted something bigger.
He wasn't interested only in apartments. He dreamed of luxury, fame, and big city landmarks.
So he decided to expand the business into Manhattan, the heart of New York City.
This decision would change his life forever.
In the 1970s, Donald Trump took on his first major project, the Commodore Hotel.
At that time, the hotel was old, unattractive, and losing money.
Most people thought it was a bad investment.
But Donald saw potential.
He worked with the city, banks, and investors to renovate the building.
After years of work, the hotel reopened as the Grand Hyatt Hotel.
And it was a huge success.
This project made Donald Trump famous in New York.
People now saw him as a bold businessman who took risks and won.
In the early 1980s, Donald Trump started working on one of his most famous projects, Trump Tower.
Trump Tower is a tall skyscraper located on Fifth Avenue in New York City, one of the most expensive streets in the world.
This building was not just offices or apartments.
It included luxury homes, offices, shops, and even a gold-colored interior.
Donald Trump wanted the building to represent success, wealth, and power.
And it worked. When Trump Tower opened in 1983, people noticed immediately.
His name was written in huge gold letters on the building.
From that moment, the name Trump became impossible to ignore in New York City.
After Trump Tower, Donald Trump wanted more.
He started buying hotels, casinos, and resorts, especially in Atlantic City, New Jersey.
Atlantic City was famous for gambling, and Trump believed it was the perfect place to grow.
He opened several casinos, including the very famous Trump Taj Mahal.
When it opened in 1990, it was the largest casino in the world.
It was expensive, beautiful, and extremely ambitious.
But ambition sometimes comes with problems.
Even though Trump looked extremely successful, behind the scenes, his business was under pressure.
Many of his projects were built using large loans from banks.
When the economy slowed down in the early 1990s, Trump's businesses began losing money.
Several of his casinos struggled to make profits.
At one point, Donald Trump owed billions of dollars.
Many people believed this was the end of his career.
But Trump didn't disappear.
Instead of quitting, Donald Trump worked with banks to restructure his debt.
This means he renegotiated how and when he would pay back the money.
He sold some properties, but kept control of his name and core businesses.
This period taught him an important lesson. His name itself had value.
Even when businesses failed, the Trump brand was still strong.
In the 1990s, Donald Trump began appearing more often on television, talk shows, and magazines.
He was not just a businessman anymore. He was becoming a celebrity.
People recognized his voice, hair, and confidence.
He enjoyed being in the spotlight.
And the media loved him because he was dramatic, bold, and never boring.
In 2004, Donald Trump reached a new level of fame.
He became the host of a reality TV show called The Apprentice.
On the show, contestants competed for a job in the Trump Organization.
Each week, someone lost.
And Donald Trump would say his now famous words, "You're fired."
That sentence became known all over the world.
Millions of people watched the show every week.
For many viewers, this was their first introduction to Donald Trump.
After The Apprentice, Donald Trump's name became a global brand.
He put his name on buildings in many countries.
He also opened golf courses, hotels, and resorts around the world.
Sometimes he didn't even own the buildings. Companies paid him to use his name.
This allowed him to make money with less risk.
The Trump name became associated with luxury, confidence, and success.
During this time, Donald Trump's children also became more visible.
Donald Trump Jr., Ivanka Trump, and Eric Trump worked in the family business.
Ivanka Trump became especially popular, appearing in interviews and public events.
The Trump family was now part of American pop culture. In June 2015, Donald Trump stood inside Trump Tower and made a big announcement.
He said he was running for president of the United States.
At first, many people laughed.
They thought he was joking or just seeking attention.
After all, he had no political experience.
He had never worked in government before.
Donald Trump's campaign was very different from other politicians.
He spoke in simple, direct language.
He used strong words and bold promises.
His main message was, "Make America great again."
That slogan became extremely popular.
He promised to bring back jobs, protect American businesses, and control immigration.
Trump quickly gained a large group of loyal supporters.
Many of them felt ignored by traditional politicians.
They believed Trump understood their problems.
At the same time, many people strongly disliked him.
They said his words were too harsh and controversial.
The country became very divided.
Trump competed against many experienced politicians inside his own party.
One by one, he defeated them.
In 2016, he became the Republican Party's official candidate.
This alone was a huge surprise.
The final election was between Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton.
Most experts believed Hillary Clinton would win.
But on election night, the results shocked the world.
Donald Trump won the Electoral College.
In January 2017, he became the 45th President of the United States.
Trump entered office with strong energy.
He focused heavily on the economy.
He lowered taxes and encouraged businesses to grow.
Supporters said this helped create jobs.
One of Trump's most famous promises was building a wall on the U.S.-Mexico border.
This idea caused strong arguments across the country.
Some people supported it.
Others strongly opposed it.
Trump's foreign policy was also unusual.
He met with leaders that previous presidents avoided.
This included meetings with North Korea's leader.
Some people praised his boldness.
Others worried about his approach.
Trump's presidency was full of controversy.
In 2019, he was impeached by the House of Representatives.
This means he was accused of serious wrongdoing.
However, the Senate did not remove him from office.
So he continued as president. In 2020, Donald Trump decided to run for president again.
He wanted a second term in the White House.
His opponent was Joe Biden, a former vice president.
The election happened during a very difficult time.
One of the biggest challenges during Trump's presidency was COVID-19.
The virus spread across the world in 2020.
Millions of people got sick.
Many people lost their jobs.
The pandemic changed daily life completely.
Trump's handling of COVID-19 caused strong reactions.
Some people supported his decisions.
Others believed he did not take the virus seriously enough.
This made the election even more emotional.
In November 2020, Americans voted.
When the results came in, Joe Biden won.
He received more electoral votes than Donald Trump.
Trump did not accept the result easily.
Donald Trump claimed the election was unfair.
He said there was cheating, even though courts found no proof.
Many of his supporters believed him.
This created tension and anger across the country.
On January 6th, 2021, something very serious happened.
A group of Trump supporters entered the U.S. Capitol.
They tried to stop Congress from confirming Joe Biden's victory.
This event shocked the world.
It was one of the darkest days in American democracy.
On January 20th, 2021, Donald Trump left the White House.
Joe Biden became the new president.
Trump did not attend the inauguration.
This was unusual in American history.
After leaving office, Donald Trump returned to his business life.
He focused on his companies, golf courses, and hotels.
He also stayed very active in public life.
Trump continued speaking at events and rallies.
Even after losing the election, Trump remained influential.
Many people still strongly support him.
Others strongly criticize him.
Very few people feel neutral about Donald Trump.
Trump has often talked about running for president again.
This keeps him in the news.
Supporters feel excited.
Critics feel concerned.
Donald Trump's life has been full of highs and lows.
From luxury buildings to financial trouble.
From TV fame to the White House.
From victory to defeat.
No matter what people think of him, one thing is clear.
Donald Trump changed politics, media, and public conversation.
He showed how confidence, branding, and communication can shape power.
His story is not simple.
It's controversial, complex, and still unfinished.
At English Cast Duo, we believe every story is a chance to learn.
Not just about history, but about language, ideas, and communication.
If you listen carefully today, you practiced real English naturally.
And that's the real goal.
Thanks for listening.
Keep learning. Keep listening.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Cast Duo.